Switzerland's beauty is legendary, with its rolling green meadows, sparkling lakes, and dramatic mountain ranges that seem to touch the sky. But among all these natural wonders, Mount Titlis stands out as a true Alpine marvel, capturing the hearts of travelers from around the world. Nestled near the charming village of Engelberg in central Switzerland, this iconic peak is part of the postcard-perfect Uri Alps, a region famous for its breathtaking vistas and pristine nature. What makes Titlis truly unique? Its summit is blanketed in snow all year long, creating a magical winter wonderland even in the heart of summer, when wildflowers bloom in the valleys below. The journey to the top is as memorable as the destination itself. Ascending from lush green valleys through forests and alpine meadows, you're transported into a world of ice and sky, where every turn reveals a new, awe-inspiring view. At the summit, you're rewarded with sweeping, panoramic views over endless mountain peaks, feeling as if you're standing on the roof of the world, surrounded by the majesty of the Alps. Whether you crave heart-pounding adventure, want to try snow sports, or simply wish to play in the snow with your loved ones, Titlis offers something for everyone, no matter your age or interests. For Thrillsekers, brave Europe's highest suspension bridge, suspended high above the glacier, offering breathtaking views and a rush of excitement. Or wander through a glittering ice cave, where the blue-tinged walls and sparkling icicles create a surreal, otherworldly experience. If relaxation is more your style, simply enjoy the crisp, invigorating mountain air and soak in the stunning scenery all around you. The mountain is accessible for all ages and abilities, making it the perfect destination for families, groups of friends, or solo explorers looking for a memorable escape. In this guide, we'll show you how to get there, what to see, and how to make the most of your visit, so you can experience the very best of Mount Titlis. Discover the best photo spots for capturing unforgettable memories, tips on what to wear for changing mountain weather, and nearby Swiss gems to explore during your trip. Get ready to experience the magic of Mount Titlis, where the Alps come alive in spectacular style and every moment feels like a scene from a fairy tale. Let's begin your unforgettable adventure to one of Switzerland's most enchanting destinations. Your journey to Mount Titlis begins in Engelberg, a charming alpine village nestled in a lush valley surrounded by dramatic peaks. This picturesque town is the perfect gateway to the Swiss Alps, offering a blend of natural beauty and traditional Swiss hospitality. Engelberg is easily reached by train from Lucerne or Zurich, making it accessible for travelers coming from all over Switzerland and beyond. The Lucerne-Engelberg Express whisks you through rolling hills, sparkling lakes, and charming Swiss villages in just 45 minutes, providing a scenic introduction to the region. From the Engelberg train station, it's a short walk or a convenient free shuttle ride to the base of the Titlis cable car. The journey is smooth and well signposted, so you'll never feel lost. The stroll through Engelberg is scenic, with the snow-capped mountains looming ever closer as you make your way through the village. The fresh alpine air and peaceful atmosphere set the tone for your adventure. Before heading up, consider exploring Engelberg's quaint streets, lined with cozy cafes, local shops, and the historic abbey that dates back to the 12th century. It's a wonderful place to soak in Swiss culture and maybe grab a pastry or coffee. At the Valley Station, you can buy your cable car tickets. Online purchase is fastest, especially on busy days. But there are also helpful staff at the counters to assist with any questions. Friendly staff are on hand to help, and checking the weather forecast ensures you'll get the best possible views from the summit. Clear skies mean breathtaking panoramas await. The ascent to Titlis is done in 3 exciting stages, each with its own unique cable car experience. The journey itself is an adventure, with every stage offering something new. First, a comfortable gondola takes you up to Trubsee, offering sweeping views of the lush valley below and the surrounding peaks. It's the perfect opportunity to snap some photos. As you climb higher, the landscape transforms dramatically, from green meadows to rugged cliffs and snowy slopes, building anticipation for what lies ahead at the summit. Each stage reveals new perspectives and breathtaking vistas, making the journey itself as thrilling and memorable as the destination. Soon, you'll be ready to rise above the clouds and step into the heart of the Swiss Alps, where unforgettable adventures await. The cable car ride to Mount Titlis is an adventure in itself. Start with the Titlis Express gondola, gliding over meadows and forests to Trubsee. Next, a larger cable car whisks you higher, where green valleys give way to dramatic cliffs and snow. The scenery shifts from lush to rugged, with panoramic windows offering breathtaking views. The final ascent is on the Titlis Rotair, the world's first revolving cable car. As it slowly spins, you get a 360-degree view of glaciers, peaks, and endless sky. There's no need to move. The landscape comes to you. The entire journey takes about 30 minutes, but every moment is packed with awe-inspiring sights. Have your camera ready? This is a ride you'll never forget. From valley floor to icy summit, the cable car is a highlight of the Titlis experience. It's not just transportation, it's a memory in the making. Stepping out at the summit, you enter a world of snow and ice, no matter the season. The air is crisp, the silence profound, and the views stretch for miles across the Alps. On clear days, you'll spot famous peaks like the Eiger and Jungfrau, with clouds drifting below your feet. Multiple viewing platforms let you soak in the panorama from every angle. The Titlis Glacier sprawls beneath you, its icy river carving through the mountains. Tiny figures on the glacier path highlight the mountain's immense scale. The contrast of white snow and deep blue sky is simply stunning. Every direction offers a perfect photo opportunity. Take your time. This is a place to truly feel the majesty of the Alps. The summit of Titlis is not just a view, it's an experience you'll never forget. For thrill-seekers, the Titlis Cliff Walk is a must. Europe's highest suspension bridge, perched over a dizzying drop. Crossing the narrow bridge, you're surrounded by sky and snow-capped peaks, with the glacier far below. The views are spectacular, and the sense of adventure is unforgettable. Safely across, pause to admire the bridge suspended against the mountains. Next, descend into the Glacier Cave, a shimmering tunnel of blue ice 20 meters below the surface. The cave's ancient ice glows with an ethereal light, creating a magical, otherworldly atmosphere. Walkways wind through intricate formations, offering a close-up look at the glacier's frozen beauty. It's a surreal, peaceful contrast to the open vistas above. Both the cliff walk and glacier cave are included in your ticket. Don't miss these unique experiences. Together, they showcase the wild and wonderful sides of Mount Titlis. Whether you crave adrenaline or quiet wonder, you'll find it here. These attractions are essential stops on your Titlis adventure. Mount Titlis is a snowy playground for all ages year-round. At the Glacier Park, try snow tubing. Slide down the slopes in a giant rubber ring for pure fun. Ride a balancer, a ski scooter, or join a snake gliss, a train of sleds twisting down the hill. Traditional sleds and a magic carpet conveyor make it easy to enjoy the snow again and again. Build a snowman, have a snowball fight, or simply revel in the powdery snow. Designated play areas keep things safe for families and kids. In winter, Titlis transforms into a ski and snowboard paradise, with slopes for every skill level. Rent equipment on site and explore over 80 kilometers of runs. Whether you're a pro or a first-timer, the mountain offers endless winter fun. Don't forget gloves and waterproof gear to stay warm and dry. On Titlis, everyone can find their perfect snow adventure. Mount Titlis is all about breathtaking views, and there are several must-visit spots for the perfect photo. Whether you're a professional photographer or just snapping memories on your phone, the mountain offers endless opportunities to capture the magic of the Swiss Alps. The main summit terrace offers a sweeping 360-degree panorama, ideal for capturing the Alps in all their glory. From here, you can see snow-capped peaks stretching as far as the eye can see, with the crisp mountain air adding to the sense of wonder. Panoramic maps help you identify distant peaks, making your photos even more memorable. Take a moment to trace the outlines of famous summits and learn their names, adding a story to every shot you take. For a thrill, the Titlis Cliff Walk provides dramatic shots of the bridge and the abyss below. The swaying walkway, perched high above the glacier, is perfect for those who love a bit of adventure in their photos. Snap a picture from the end platform, looking back at friends crossing the bridge. The contrast of people against the vast snowy landscape creates unforgettable images. The Ice Flyer chairlift glides over the glacier, giving you a close-up look at deep crevasses and blue ice. It's a unique perspective you won't find anywhere else, and the views from above are simply mesmerizing. The ride from summit to Glacier Park is peaceful and awe-inspiring. Watch as the landscape changes below you, from rugged cliffs to gentle snowy slopes, all bathed in alpine light. Don't miss the revolving Titlis Rotair cable car. Every window is a moving viewpoint. As you slowly rotate, you'll see the scenery shift, offering new angles and surprises with every turn. At Trubsee, stroll around the lake for serene mountain reflections. The calm water mirrors the peaks above, creating a picture-perfect scene that's especially beautiful in the early morning or late afternoon. Each spot offers a unique perspective. Visit them all for the full Titlis experience. From high terraces to hidden corners, every viewpoint has its own charm and story to tell. Keep your camera ready. Every angle is a postcard. The ever-changing light and weather mean no two photos are ever the same, so be prepared to capture those spontaneous moments. These are the moments you'll want to remember. Share them with friends and family, and let the beauty of Mount Titlis inspire your next adventure. The adventure doesn't end at Mount Titlis. There's so much more to explore nearby. Angleberg is a charming village with traditional Swiss architecture and the historic Engelberg Abbey. Take a guided tour, see the Baroque church, and watch cheese being made at the monastery. Lucerne, just a short train ride away, boasts medieval streets, the iconic chapel bridge, and lakeside beauty. Cruise Lake Lucerne for stunning views of city and mountains. For more alpine adventures, visit Mount Pilatus or Mount Rigi. Both offer spectacular vistas and unique journeys. Pilatus features the world's steepest cogwheel railway, while Rigi is famed for gentle slopes and panoramic lake views. Around Trubsee, enjoy summer hikes, rowboat rides, and wildflower meadows. Whether you seek culture, history, or more mountain magic, the region has it all. Your Swiss adventure can be as rich and varied as you wish. A little planning ensures your day on Mount Titlis is unforgettable. Dress in layers. Temperatures at the summit are cold year-round, even in summer. Wear sturdy, waterproof shoes for snowy, slippery ground. Sunglasses and sunscreen are musts. The sun is intense at high altitude. Don't forget a warm hat and gloves, especially if you'll be outdoors or playing in the snow. For the best views, visit in the morning when skies are clearest. Check live webcams and weather forecasts before you go. Buy tickets online to skip the queues and use a Swiss travel pass for discounts. Start early to enjoy all the attractions. Plan for at least 3 to 4 hours on the mountain. Experience the cliff walk, glacier cave, and snow park for a full day of adventure. With these tips, you'll have a safe, comfortable, and truly magical day on Mount Titlis.